Hello.
Hey guys.
Okay, so today we are at B&M.
Yes, the last few bits for the cruise.
Yeah, this is our very last opportunity to get the bits we need.
Yeah.
Well, we're in Portsmouth, so they have things there, obviously.
We are, but this is the plan today to get the last bits. We don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah.
I think we need cruise release, saving stuff, and whatever else we see. So maybe
We
some
could do with
medication
some medication, yeah, just in case.
Yeah.
Although we're going with Bob and Kelly always has everything, so there's that. Yeah, I can't think of much else we need, but when we
Whatever
get
else
in
we
there,
see.
I will remember it.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah.
Right, let's do it.
this is the problem with B&M, isn't it?
You see stuff you don't think you need, but need.
Yeah. I saw these the other day. They've got these kits of ice cream kits. Comes with the ice cream mix.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What, if in India?
Yeah, so you have the milk. And then whisk it so we can make the mix up.
That's cool, but
Yeah.
it's definitely not for your cruise.
No. No, not for the cruise. But they've got a Twix one and a Maltesers one.
We should get them, maybe.
Maybe.
We've already got stuff we don't need for your cruise.
Yep.
Doing really well. Right.
Jen was just saying, should we get hobnobs for belly?
Yeah.
Where are hobnobs?
No,
Oh, digestive.
they're good though.
Have they not got hobnob? Oh, there. There we go. In your basket. Someone said about taking a mini Febreze on.
That's a great
But
idea.
they've only got big ones.
That's okay.
Do we take a big one on?
I think we should. It's a good idea. What flavour?
Don't know. We'll have a look. We'll show you in a sec.
Okay.
They've got cotton, peony, spring awakening, citrus, honeysuckle.
There's no weight on that, is there? We might as well.
What do you want the room to smell like?
I don't mind. Up to you.
Maybe fresh linen.
Okay. That one?
Yeah. Okay, John likes the crease release.
Yeah, they normally work really well.
They've got this one now, or they've got that red one. Ruby Jasmine.
That's the one we had before. Quite like that smell.
Okay, get that one then. And they've
What
also
else,
got the steamer water. Do you need some of that?
Oh, what we do actually, yeah. Good
Just
idea.
one, John.
Even though we can't take a steam one with us.
No, but you'll be doing some
Yeah.
steaming before we go.
Cool. Any other washing stuff you
I
need?
love the washing stuff in
I
it. Like,
know.
I've never seen this before. No, we've got enough washing stuff,
These
but
smell really nice as well.
yeah.
I'm just checking them
Oh
with
my
it.
god. We've got some of those,
Yeah, we
haven't
have.
we?
Yeah. Surely we could do that rather than instead of that.
What?
Hang that up until it's when anything.
I mean, I don't think the room smelled bad.
It doesn't, but
So then we don't really need that.
what's the blog says that's a good idea.
I know, but maybe they had a smelly room.
Maybe it is. I mean, we could just get hanging them up. But then they come and clean it, don't they?
Yeah.
They do a good job.
I was thinking that for the car, but
Oh yeah.
I was going to get a face mask, but I might get that while we're in Portsmouth. But I didn't know I needed a bum mask.
Yeah, now we'll put some.
I'll get it in Portsmouth.
Sure.
It can be a little treat.
Okay.
Okay, medicines. Yeah, we were thinking just paracetamol, weren't we?
Just a little more.
Yeah, but I'm fussy. I won't buy these ones. But these ones, they're fine.
Okay. Get some of them.
So, one? Because we're only going to be allowed two, and if we want ibuprofen.
Yeah.
Where is ibuprofen?
I've already got some of these. That's really good about the night before.
John likes the Diarrhea.
Yeah, really good. If you've been out on a drink all night, have that before bed. You wake up with a hangover. The salt replace all your salts you lose.
Okay, what do we need? Oh, I don't think we'll be able to buy cold and flu and ibuprofen and paracetamol.
Yeah, different bag you can.
Yeah, we'll cheat the system. Well, they've only got the Lemsip ones.
That'll do, won't it?
Yeah.
Just in case, headache, got nose, tiredness.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah? After the need.
Oh, yeah. I've got new shoes. Maybe these ones? I could get them with dinosaurs on.
Good.
But are they going to work as well as these?
Probably not. But I would say.
Oh, I don't know what's better, Elastoplast or Masterplast.
Any difference?
We'll go with this one because you get more.
Okay.
And they've got all the different sizes.
Cool.
Okay, you wanted shaving things.
Yeah.
I never take on like shampoo or anything like that because they have it on there, don't they?
What's that?
They have shampoo on there, so we don't take that.
Yeah. I'm really fussy with the shampoo I use, so.
He likes the bald, shiny head look.
Yeah.
Right, he's picking shaving stuff, right?
Yes.
I bought some sun cream already. I think I bought this one actually.
Do you use sunscreen?
I bought it in K.
Okay.
Because I burn, don't I? So.
You do, yeah. It could be hot.
It also could be cold.
There's some rumours could be a nice next week.
Yeah.
Could be nice.
And I have lip balm already,
Okay.
so I don't need any of that.
Then bee stuff's nice now, yeah.
The Burt's Beach,
Yeah.
I've got one of them at work. Oh, we'll get some bubble bath, not for the cruise.
Okay. Which ones?
Yeah, just get a Radox one.
Stress, muscle,
Yeah, I'm stressed.
sleep, muscle.
Oh, that's big. Is there a smaller one?
That's the one.
Oh yeah, we'll do sleep then.
That's relax.
Well, we'll do muscle. I genuinely get it because it makes the bath that colour.
Cool.
Gosh, we were only coming in for a few things. Standard. Okay, this is the John section apparently.
There's some electrolytes. Like that, but bigger one.
Is that not what these are?
No, this is electrolytes, and it is.
Oh.
But that's. Well, you can get a bigger one, that's some size one. But that'll do if not. That's berry. Who has berry?
Who likes berry?
That's what they got.
I don't know, I'm going to have a wonder now. Gosh, they have so much protein. Oh, there's these. I don't know what things, electrolytes?
That's perfect. Favourite.
I don't know if they are.
It says electrolytes on it.
That says high strength.
Favourite that.
That one's electrolyte. That sounds yum. Honeycomb flavour, whey protein. Not for the crew. Neither is half of that stuff. They've got luggage here too.
Yeah, that's new, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not bad taste actually. What size is it? Carry-on? Is that a carry-on? Looks like it. Who's that?
I don't know. Bob and Kelly said they're bringing small bags this time.
Oh really?
Oh, I know a lot of people love these for their room.
That's a good idea. Yeah, we watched Travel Space. He's got
Yeah.
a really tall one, which feeds up.
Yeah,
Want it?
but that's got a stand on it. No, because it's not going to be as hot as Miami, and we were fine in Miami.
And we've got air conditioning in the room.
Yeah,
So.
but I think
Yeah.
sometimes when it's hot outside, it just doesn't get quite cool enough, does
Yeah,
it?
that's a good idea.
Yeah.
But I probably would want that one that Travel Space got.
Yeah.
Because that's a really good one. You can get it from Amazon as well.
Yeah, and these, if you're a sunbather, which I'm not, but to clip your towel
That's a
on,
good idea. Yeah.
but we don't need those.
Different flavours.
Absolutely not. Oh yeah. Well, this is a whole little holiday section. There's not much, is there? But
It's such a shame we can't take that because obviously Virgin, you haven't got a kettle in the room,
no.
and obviously a travel pack, we won't be able to take it on. It's a shame.
They've started getting Christmas stuff already.
It's nearly September.
No, it's getting earlier and earlier
It
every
is,
year.
Yeah. Well, in Disney, you've got Christmas
Parties.
stuff done. Yeah.
Oh no, they're doing the Halloween parties, aren't they?
Oh, Halloween. Okay.
Yeah. Well, this is Christmas.
It won't be long, will it?
No. Well, there you go, just in case you want a little look at what the Christmas things they've got coming in. They always have tons of Xbox stuff.
They do. I could do loads of open their own bit.
Oh wow, that looks fun.
That does. I bet you could have that as a kid, didn't you?
No, I've never had a slushy machine. Hard done by me.
Waffle maker.
A sausage roll maker?
Burger. So you just use it. Why do you use that?
Yeah, that's just a grill. But this, that's quite cool.
That's awesome.
Fondue.
Yeah, like that.
What is that one? Oh, churros. Crepes. Or crap, I'm not sure how you say it.
I say crepe, you say crap.
Yeah. A noodle maker. They've also got Stanley dupes there. Right in front of you, Stanley Cup.
They're a lot smaller than Stanley.
Are they?
Definitely.
They're cute though. I don't know, I think they're quite big. I don't know how many.
My water bottle, I think they do is bigger than that.
Yeah, that's true.
The one that you've got
Yeah.
somewhere.
Right.
I wonder, but I think that's pretty much what we need.
Otherwise we'll spend all of our money on things we don't need.
Yeah, but I think that's it. I think it's not a lot. We didn't need a lot.
We'll show you what we got when we get home, shall we?
Yeah.
Could get a fan like that for your room.
Good luck taking out.
It's working very well though. Just wandering down the toy aisle because there's no danger here. Oh.
That's awesome.
As I said, there's no danger here.
Are we done? Is that all we need?
Yeah.
That's painless.
That was, well, it wasn't. I thought we only needed like 3 things.
Only a basket. Definitely done more damage than before.
Right, we'll show you everything when we get home then, shall we? Yeah, we're done.
We need, yeah? You sure?
I think so. I mean, it's not like we're going to the moon.
No, not at all.
So.
No.
Okay, we thought we'd just quickly run through what we got. We got this for Louis.
Of course.
From the pet shop.
Yeah, and some food.
Yeah. And John has the bag, so.
We didn't get that mad. Some sprats for Louis.
Louis absolutely loves these. He can only have them when John gives them to him. Because how gross is that?
It might have just be a cruise, but it's almost a bit of everything, wasn't it?
That's what happens in B&M.
Same stuff.
Oh, we got some of these. They were
bars.
3 for £3. So
Yeah.
we got Alpen, these ones. They're just good to grab, aren't they?
For work and that, yeah.
This one.
And then there's more, just set up bars. So.
Yeah.
Plasters.
Yeah.
For cruise. Ibuprofen just in case. Air freshener, you can see
Should we
that.
smell it?
Nice.
That is nice.
Toothpaste. More paracetamol. I got my electrolytes.
There we go.
We got
I
cold
sprayed too much of
flu.
that air freshener.
Cold flu stuff just in case. Energy after Barocca.
This is fake Barocca.
Yeah.
I can't breathe because of, can you smell it? Right my nose.
Crease free stuff, that's really good. So
The one with the regular scent.
Yeah, we like that one, we had that before.
Yeah.
More.
How many's in there?
10.
And we're going on a 5-night cruise.
I know, but it's good to have. I usually play gym, so most days I have them, so I needed get nearly a month's worth.
Okay.
Bubble bath.
Yeah, that's not for the cruise.
No.
That's for me.
And this steamer water.
Technically kind of for the cruise because John will use it in preparation.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. Lasers.
We went in for a couple of things.
And hot dogs.
Yeah, they're for Bob.
Yes. They're really nice.
Is he allowed to take them on the ship?
Hope
so.
Yeah. No, we give it to them in Portsmouth.
Well, we'll give it to them in Portsmouth and then, I mean, they'll get a bit melty, but they could stay in the car, wouldn't they, if they needed to. So we're going to get Kelly some Galaxy.
Yes.
We also have a special treat. in the fridge.
Yes, we do. I'm excited for that.
Yeah, well, I ordered it for Bob and Kelly, and then I also ordered it for us.
That's going to be cool. Is this going to come out after that? So that's cheap waffles. Yeah. Your waffles you can get from Amsterdam. So you can bought them online, and we're going to try them from this particular shop. It's
the famous one. It's like I want to say like Wanderen or something like that. But...
So you've got different flavours we're going to try, and hopefully we can try them in Amsterdam before we get there and see what if they're any different or not.
Yeah.
We'll have them fresh, and obviously they're sent to us, saying they're not packaged.
I am under no illusion that I think the ones in Amsterdam are going to taste a lot better than the ones we've got here, but the ones in Amsterdam also, you don't really get the toppings, do you? So.
No, I'm excited for that. But we're going to open that up in, a day or two. Can't wait,
We're going to have them in Portsmouth, I think, aren't we?
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Yeah, let us know what your holiday essentials are down in the comments, because clearly we don't know what an essential is.
Absolutely not. I mean, it's difficult because I always think, I say Amsterdam, it's Europe, you can get what you want. The same as anywhere, even in America, we can get what you want. So I'm not really one for going mad before we go. As long as you've got clothes, money, and a passport, that's all you need really from me. You don't need to take anything else really. I mean, it's good to have some tablets and that, and gym stuff with exercise, because that's try to work that out from a non-English,
Dutch.
Trying to explain that is going to be difficult. But apart from that, it's I don't think you need anything really. You just go with it, and everything's on board anyway. You've got everything, you're there. So essentials wasn't mad really.
But it says still more than I thought we were going to get.
Okay.
One thing I didn't buy, and I've not really bought much new, and I normally do for a trip, but I've not bought much new makeup.
Okay.
But I've not been wearing much makeup because it's been warm here.
Yep.
So I didn't really need anything. But I guess we're going to spend the day in Portsmouth, so if I see anything there I can. But
it's a really nice shopping centre as well. So
we're really excited.
I'm sure we'll be able to find anything we need if we need it. Because we don't need anything. This is it. I think we can go now and be fine.
Yeah. Well, I can't because I haven't packed. John has packed.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah, I think there's some shirts I need to iron and that, but I'm good to go.
I haven't even got a clue on what because the weather's been really up and down as well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So, but that is our essentials, I guess.
A bit all over the place, admittedly, but I think that's all we need.
Yeah.
I reckon we can go now. Yeah.
So thanks for coming along to B&M with us. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.